Hey guys, today let's explore field groups in Qliksense. In our previous video, we explored drill down and cyclic groups in QlikView. So similarly, we will see how to implement drill down in Qliksense. And we don't have a cyclic group in Qliksense. Instead, we have an alternate. We'll see that as well. So let me go ahead and create a master item. So over there, we see an option, right? Whether it is a single or a drill down. Okay. So I'm going with drill down. I'll select my table. So I'll pick all these fields from that table. So year, quarter, month, year, week. I'll just name this as my date hierarchy or date drill. Okay. So let me create this. Now let me create a simple chart to visualize it. So I'll add this dimension date drill. My measure is going to be total sales. Let me enable the value labels. So as we could see, we got a chart with sales by year, right? So you could see this symbol over here. So when I click on a particular year, it automatically takes me to the next level, right? Similar to what we saw in click view. So here as well, when I select on a month, quarter, it takes me to the underlying months. Similarly, the month will take me to the next level, right? To the weeks. Okay. So now I can click on that and I can get back to any level I would want to. Okay, so this is how drill down works in ClickSense. Okay, so we can basically create a drill down dimension under master items, whereas we don't have an option of cyclic here. Okay, instead we have something called alternate dimension. Okay, so we will use that to replicate this. Okay, um, let me take a copy of this. Let me add some dimension. Let's say category name. I will also add some alternate dimensions. Let's say supplier or customer. Okay. So now let me maximize it. So now we could see I have a drop down over here, right? So I can pick and choose any the x-axis, right? So this is similar to what we saw in ClickView, cyclic group. So I can cycle between all the dimensions or x-axis which is available here, right? So I can pick and choose any dimension which I want. So I don't have to create multiple charts. Instead, I could use the same chart by varying the x-axis alone. Okay. So this is how alternate dimension works, similar to cyclic groups. Okay, so hope we got some basic understanding of drill down and alternate dimension in ClickSense. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.